Okay, boys and girls, going to be looking at the DAX. Tough market this morning, but it's only tough as long as you're not chasing it, which is an issue on a Monday morning. A lot of people just think, right, it's Monday morning, let's get the charts open. I think it's Monday morning, let's prepare the charts. I don't chase them, I don't do anything, and I've said it time and time again, you start jumping into the market between 8 and 9 on Monday morning, get yourself down McDonald's because this job ain't for you. It is one of the most dangerous times to trade. Why? Because you've got to see what the market's up to before you go into it. So I've already been in and gave my 2 penneth, and what I said was very simple. You know, if we come down to the clinic, that is there. So I've done the update. Now, if you go in the bulls and bears, I did it. I don't normally like trading, but I could see the guys were looking at the DAX, and it's a little bit of a worry. Some listen about not trading 8 o'clock, others just pay no attention and then cry when they get caught, and this concerns me. So what are we looking at here? Well, if I pull this up, we're looking at a 16 pip move, and it's risky. It's a real risky trade, okay? But it is a predominantly sell on a C. Now a C could go either way. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch this. Now at the moment, I need to get it a little bit higher. I would like it to go a bit higher. So what is 16 pips? So let's work that out. So there's your gap. So your gap is from there to there. So it's not a million miles away, but I would like it just to push up that little bit more, catch it, and then flash back into it. Now, if I come back to 5 minutes, I might be able to see this a bit cleaner. You can see it's pushing, it's trying, so I'm going to let it run up. We're going to drop the order in just underneath this candle here, underneath the body, and then edge it up. There we are. It's bouncing up now. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop the sell order in underneath the body, and we're going to set it for the 16 pip. Bash. Right. The reason why I've done that is I'm working on that line. I'm now going to follow this up for it to get to the top. Ideally, it wants to be up here somewhere, but I'm prepared to sort of average this up to this black line, gets up past that, then I might have a bit of a problem and then I'll have to worry about it. But in the meantime, I think where we are is these 2 levels here starting. So I was happy to sell on any of these levels, and I like to trail up. So that's what we're doing. But let's have a little deeper move into the market. There is a big move, okay, and it's rolling over into it. The worry is this tail here, because if that's pushing down and I can see it, someone else can as well, and they'll use that against me, okay? So I've got to be a bit wary of that. So is there a way I can check this? Well, I've got to see where the move started, which is there up to there. What's it done? Well, its bounce point is, well, it's just done it to the pip on that 50, okay? The longer it holds under that 50, it'll start moving down. It's already came to the 61.8 and bounced off it pretty much on the pip, okay? So that's the ultimate target, but we've got a big level in its path. I've got to be careful. So I'll be happy just to take 16 pips out of this morning. And that's the plan. So let me trade this out. I'll just kind of leave this on. You'll see it getting adjusted. Now, I do have a meeting at 11 o'clock if this runs on, so I'll have to be switching the camera off at about 10:30. But with luck, I should be in and out of this by then. Now, what I do at the end of these is I do a little bit of a monologue. So if you've got something that you want to talk about, drop it in the comments and I'll happily do that for you. If you want to see what the strategies are, etc., you're going to have to come into this squad because it's not something that's kind of publicly available. Okay, kids, let's play this out and then I'll have a bit chat with you. Okay, guys, a quick interlude because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video. Okay, guys, that's the job done. Had to wait for it to push up and then pull back. So, same drill as always, just get my tickets out. Nothing else is running, and 82 quid in about 50 minutes. This could well run further. But there was a question in our Scruff saying, oh, gold's moving, oil's moving. Why aren't you looking at them? Well, it's very simple. I'm not a fucking moron, right? I look at one product at a time and I look for the best of the bunch. Now, if you're looking at this product, that product and the other product, where do you think your focus is? You haven't got any. So I laser focused on this particular market, the DAX. Funny enough, I'd actually already been into gold on the surge trade this morning for the small account. But for the main looking at it, no. But at 7 o'clock this morning, all I was looking at was gold. Miss out 8 to 9 because it's stupid. You shouldn't be trading between 8 and 9. It'll rip you a new one. 9 o'clock, best of the bunch. The DAX looked okay, but I also wanted to help the guys because I saw a few of them were looking at it. So I went in. What was my focus? The target. I knew it was pushing up. I could see it. I also knew it was in a downward trend and it had a bigger picture from the higher time frames. So all I had to do was target effectively within that hour slot, but I had to wait for it. So in that period of time, I'm not looking at gold. I'm not looking at oil. I'm not looking at cable because my focus would be split and I wouldn't be able to see what it is that I'm trying to get. Because you try to trade too many assets at once, it very rarely ends well. You know, you need a massive set of screens. You know, all right, I've got a 3-screen. I can technically watch a lot of things, but my brain doesn't function that well. You know. What?
That one, right.
What?
You and your brain are functioning.
Shut up, you bobblehead. You know. Jesus Christ, play with your knob. There you are. Get on with that. There's your joystick. See how her face all lights up there when she sees it. Twing!
Be you.
I'll give you the shit.
Oh, don't.
There's the poo.
It's not even...
It's good, isn't it? See what toys she's got. She's got knobs and shits.
They're yours.
And a little dog.
That's to clean my screen. It's a screen cleaner.
And I've got a lightsaber. Marcel bought me this. Looking forward to seeing you soon, kid, as well. See you in Amsterdam. We'll go get a special cake. That'll be good, won't it? Get you pissed.
Oh,
well, you
yeah.
won't be pissed. You'll be flying through the ceiling.
I don't think so.
We will. I'll give you a brownie and not tell you what it is. Sorry about that. What was I saying about lack of concentration?
Easily distracted.
Well, it is, because my job's done. I've got a meeting in an hour. So now I'm just going to chill out, have my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. Going to wind up Winky. Going to ask her really nicely. She might make me breakfast.
You've had your breakfast?
No, that was like an early morning snack. I made a proper breakfast.
You're
like
on a
big
health kick. That was your breakfast. It's Monday to Friday healthy.
Fucking hell.
Why can you smell the bacon sandwich, can you?
You making a bacon sandwich?
No.
Go on. What do you mean, no?
You said you had to be healthy.
Well, you said you had to be good, but that didn't last very long.
What do you mean?
Well, you said, I'm going to be a good wife and I'm going to look after you and everything. Within one day, she was kicking the shit out of us. See that? She just hit me. So, boys and girls, yeah. How are you going to look after us? You know I'm not allowed out on my own.
I've just made you coffee.
Well, where's the bacon sandwich?
You've had your breakfast.
Do you know what I had, boys and girls? Do you know what she made me have?
I didn't make you have
A
it.
banana
And a yoghurt.
and a young.
Get the yoghurt.
Life's great, isn't it? Never mind. Okay, boys and girls. Anyway, that was done just for consistency. If you're stuck, very easy found. Drop onto my website, scruffytrader.com. Find all my tools and everything there. And all my contact details in WhatsApp. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.